Hello and welcome to another video. With this one, we're back to where this channel started, which is hotel reviews. I went to Ajman, Ayman, Oman. Ajman is another one that I heard. Anyway, we're going to call it Ajman because that's how most people say it. Anyway, I was there recently and stayed in the Radisson Blue. Full transparency, I was late with booking another one with its own beach, so that's how I ended up here. Watch till the end and let me know, was it worth it? By now, we've already seen the room. Here are some of the amenities. The fridge was empty, so I used it to store my own stuff that I bought in the nearby supermarket. And there were some tea bags, coffee, instant coffee. You can see here a kettle, 2 bottles of water, some glassware, a closet with the ironing board, lots of hangers. I love that. Quran, and I think the prayer mat was somewhere nearby. However, there was also the iron, some slippers, and that's it for the closet. Here we see a safe box, which is pretty big. I think it stored my laptop. This was a hairdryer, I believe. Yep. And then the rest of the drawers were empty. So I would say that's pretty good when it comes to amenities. This is the bathroom, a typical hotel bathroom with some toiletries, soap, face tissues, some shampoo, body wash, and body lotion. Wait till you see the coolest thing. Here it is. So this glass window can be blurred. That was amazing. Here is the room service menu. I think we did order something off of it. A pizza, I think. This was complimentary from the hotel. They ringed the room door and just gave it to us, which was very nice. This is the nearby beach. It is reachable by car. It's not walking distance. We went there early morning. There was a triathlon event, so entrance was free for the people competing, and that's how I got in to record it. You can see here the very nice sand that it has, a beautiful view of the city in the background, and lots of sunbeds. I'll show you the water entrance and the sea in a sec. Since we arrived late at night, I couldn't film the view out the window. There was no balcony. However, this hotel is in the city, so it's not like it's beachfront, so a balcony would be nice. So we didn't miss it, but yeah, this is the view. And then we head out to see what it looks like from the street. In the meantime, here are some hallways, the lobby, etc. This is in front of the hotel, and the reason I turn around the camera and zoom into these clubs here is because we could hear very loud music into the early hours in the morning. Not even early, I think one of the days, because it was the weekend, so I believe Sunday, we could hear loud music all the way until like 10 a.m. So yeah, these are the surroundings. This is the street outside of the hotel gate. Nothing fancy, but nothing too terrible. Obviously, it's best to stay at the beachfront. However, again, this hotel is located in the city. Now let's go check out the pool. I got there at sunset, so you will be able to see what it looks like in the evening as well. I think there were some swimming lessons for the kids going on in the evening, and the lights were pretty nice. So overall, it's a beautiful pool with beautiful ambience with all the lights and everything. Here you can see the gym. I didn't go in, I didn't use it while I stayed here, but I recorded it if anyone's interested from the outside, which was very neat that I got there at night since the lights were switched on inside. The hotel has several restaurants. Obviously, this is the buffet restaurant where you can have a breakfast. I didn't record much because there were people there, obviously. So here's what I managed to get on film. That's it for this video. Let me know if you're planning to go to Ajman or have stayed in this hotel in the comments section. See you in the next one. Bye.